I'm actually at a very secret location somewhere in West Wales, and we were looking around, and down a lane we found these interesting remains of a building. So we've got a nice bit of a gable there. Looks like it's actually been set in a quarry. Now the way the trees are, lots of sort of deciduous trees, and obviously this building's been abandoned from the way it looks, from the trees, roots growing through, for at least 60 to 70 years. Now comparing this with another site nearby, I would say this has probably been abandoned for about 80 to 90 years at least. So I think it's about 2 gables. So we've got another gable coming in there. And actually the reason why this isn't just a cottage on the side of the road, I think it's, as I say, set in a quarry. And as we sort of come in there, wow, we got a well. We've got a funnin', we've got a well. And this is really interesting because you've got this really nice big chunky lintel on here, and you've got this nice bit of clear water, really clear. Obviously it's going to be clear as West Wales, but I really like this. And again, I wanted to keep this as a mystery location in West Wales. Nice bit of archaeology, sort of sweeping across. You've got a bit of a quarry area, you've got a building set into it on the corner on a road, and you've got this nice little spring. And that's all I'm going to say. This is KARL-JAMES Langford Archaeology Company Seek and Search mystery location in West Wales, and thank you for watching today. Do lots of videos like this, and subscribe to my channel, like and join.